it goes. On a hot day in June, his curvy lips were introduced to mine. Feelings intertwined, hip glides, wet slides, stallion rides, intoxicated me with the rise and fall on his king size. Quick lick spinning my head, making it hard for me to breathe. Rising and falling again as showers descended in my room. I can't breathe. I tried telling him, but no words came. He just kept making my faucets rain, and I couldn't help but sing along with my ums and ahs as he was making my toes curl. Then the music changed, but my smile remained. The beat went faster. The speaker in my chest vibrated, sounding like cries for help, but still we danced until I tried to get the words out again. I can't breathe. I tried telling him, but no words came. He just kept turning up my volume, and it seemed our dance would never end. When all this time I'm trying to tell him, I can't breathe. And in the middle of my attempts to try telling him again, there were volcanic erupts, and suddenly I could breathe. Thank you.